we're gonna do with that is we're just gonna rip it up. Hey guys, what's up? How y'all doing? Welcome back to Mikasa Couture. Today's video is gonna be another DIY, and we're gonna be making Bermuda shorts. And basically what we're gonna do with that is we're just gonna rip it up. We're going to rip it open basically, and with the excess fabric we get from our jeans, we're gonna make a choker necklace just to go with that because I'm feeling frisky. So all you need for this DIY is your scissors and a seam ripper or a blade if you have one. If you don't have one, a scissors will do just fine. Also, you're going to need this. I don't really know how to explain this or what this is. It's, you know, your necklace, like that thing you have at the back of it. So I don't know how to explain it to all, but yeah, so we're gonna use this. You could get this from an old pair of jewelry you have, or you can get this from Amazon or any fabric store close to you. But yeah, so let's get into this video. Guys, for this video I'm gonna be ripping this short, so I'm gonna cut them open, you know. And so now what you want to do is mark where your knee kind of folds. So with this one, it already has rips all around here, which makes it easier, I guess. But regardless, so I'm gonna mark right above my knee, just right here, you know. Hope you guys can see that. So it's like my knee right here. I'm just gonna like that. I'm also going to do the same thing for the other side. So now what you're going to do is turn. Well, you don't have to turn, but like I'm going to turn. And I'm just going to mark like right here where my knee kind of bends over here. Like right there. So now what you want to do is turn it and make sure that the back side is what's facing up, so you just straighten it out. Make sure that you have this green line above it because you're going to end up cutting it up like this in a curved motion. Okay guys, so now what we're going to do is just rip this open everywhere. And so with this, you're going to use your scissors to do it. If you have a seam ripper, you can also use that. But basically, I'm just going to use the scissors to do mine so that you know that you don't actually need a blade or a seam ripper. Honestly, it doesn't even matter how big the gaps are, like how long you make it. Just cut rips in them, you know. So right here, I'm going to cut a bigger hole just because I want to see how that turns out. So I'm going to make like a square kind of around here. Okay guys, do you ever feel like you're just overdoing something at some point? Because right now, I'm pretty sure I'm overdoing this. Wow. Okay, so what you want to do now is just like scrunch it up a bit just to get the threads coming out by themselves. Because what we're going to do now is we're going to throw this into the washer, and when we do that, it's going to bring out the frizz a whole lot more. Okay guys, so now what I'm gonna do next is to actually put some patches on this just to make it a little bit more fun. So I'm gonna hit up my glue gun, and while that's heating up, I'm just gonna try and see what I want to put on it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use this one, and no, so I'm gonna use this rainbow thing here. So I have these two chains, and I'm just gonna put them in here so that it adds something more to my jeans. So to achieve this, all you need to get is your needle and thread. So you want to make sure that you have this tied around the chain so that it just hangs, right? But so you're gonna have to go over and under and over and under and over and under. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. Okay, so the next thing I want to do on the jeans is actually put some little, like, that I wouldn't even say diamonds, but yeah, something like that. But basically I'm gonna put these on some parts of the jeans. Okay guys, so now that I'm done adding all my stones and the chains and the patch here, I'm going to throw it into the washer and dryer so that it can, you know, scrunch it all up. So I'm going to be back in like an hour, but obviously here it's just going to be like, I'm going to be back in like a second or whatever. But while this is drying up, I'm going to show you guys how to make the choker. Okay guys, so for the choker, all you need is the fabric that you cut off from your jeans. So if you want this choker kind of depends on you. If you want it to be frayed a bit more at the ends, I would suggest that you cut it open, and after you cut it open, you put it in the washer too, so that way the edges can get frayed off. So when you do this and you have it cut open, so basically you cut it into the size that you want, and after you do that, just put it into the washer so that way so that way it frays at the edges too. But I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna leave it this way because this is kind of fine for me. I'm gonna fray out the edges by myself. So basically what you want to do is take your piece of fabric and just wrap it around your neck just to see your neck size. So you want to make sure that it doesn't cover your neck fully. Yeah, because you're going to have the chains in it. So make sure it's not completely covering your neck or wrapping around your neck. So this is the size I'm gonna leave mine at. So this is how thick I want my choker to be. Like I said, you could just fray this out by yourself and just by like roughing it up, and it would like just fray out. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is create like a little hole here. Okay, so what you're gonna do now is get your chain thing. So obviously this is way too long. I'm just gonna cut it all the way like here, so that way this goes here and that goes there. Okay, so now we have this smaller piece. I'm gonna open it here. And then I'm going to insert this into the hole. So now what I'm gonna do, well obviously I don't know how to make jewelry, this is just a DIY, so I'm just gonna tie this together. Okay, so to secure this a little bit more, I decided to just like take my nail and thread and just sew it over each other so that way it's not moving. Okay guys, so this is what the choker looks like right now. So I made my choker really thick, if that's the right word, or I made it really big. But anyways, yeah, so this is what it came out. So I decided not to put this in the washer just because I wanted the phrase to look a little bit more relaxed and I didn't want it to be so scrunched up. Now that I have my jeans out of the washer, this is how it looks. I really like this detail here and the cloud, you know. But yeah, so this is how it looks, and this is what the back pocket looks like. Okay guys, so we've come to an end of this video. Before I close out the video, I just want to say that if there's any clothing you have and you have no idea what to do with it and you'd like to see what I could do with such, just leave a comments down below and I'll figure out something and put out a video. Also, if there's anything you'd like to see me make or DIY, just let me know. If you want to see more jewelry or like shoe DIYs and not just clothing, also leave a comment down below and I'll make more of that. So yeah, if you really like the choker or you like my jeans, can't show you anymore. But if you like the choker or the jeans, give this video a thumbs up and also like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.